Now, this is one particular mistake that I see that most of you that use Samsung phone always do when you are taking screenshots, okay? And I want to correct it in this particular video. I want to share with you guys so that you guys will stop making this mistake. Now, assuming you want to take a screenshot of this page, okay? You want to take a screenshot of this page. Maybe you want to take a screenshot, like 3, 4, 5 screenshots of this page. You want to take all the screenshot of this page. Go down from up to down of this particular page, okay? Now, what most of you do is you just take a screenshot, you just screenshot this. Now you scroll up and come over here again and you screenshot the next one, and you wait and save this picture and come over here again and screenshot the next one until you keep screenshotting until you screenshot all the page or all the section in the page that you want to save. All right, but let me show you one big secret, one thing that you don't know, that you can screenshot and save all the page in just one image. Okay, now if you go over to your gallery, you will notice that I took screenshots of 3 pages. This is 3, this is 2, this is number 1. All right, you guys can see 1, 2, and 3. Now let's go back to that page. Now let me show you how you can screenshot and save most of the pages in this particular page. Now take your first screenshot. Once you take your first screenshot, now you see this arrow, press it down and be pressing it down. Once you're pressing it down, it's taking a screenshot of all these pages. You guys can see it's taking a screenshot of all these pages. I'm going to show you what this looks like at the end of the day in the gallery. Okay, let me just stop here. Let me not go far anymore. Okay, now this picture has saved. Now if you go back to my gallery and open this screenshot, you see how the screenshot is. Now this is just one image. This is just one image. All you need to do is just keep scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and be reading whatever you saved. This is just one image. But if you open it initially, it will become very small. But if you zoom it, you have all the information in the page, and you can scroll up and down and read everything. So this is exactly how you can screenshot most of the section in a particular page that is very long. Once you take the first screenshot, you keep tapping that button, and it will be going down, and it will be screenshotting, and it will be joining the image. The image is going to be just one. So if this video was helpful, you know what you do. Make sure you follow for more tips like this.